At first, I thought I could build the project using parts I already had. So, I bought an ESP8285, a small microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I started soldering the components onto a strip board. But one point, I forgot the ESP82 was still connected in the board, and I accidentally burnt it. And that's a sad story for me. After that, I felt upset for a few hours. Then I decided to order a relay module and another ESP8285 controller to avoid the circuit soldering. From the circuit diagram, you can see that I am using 4 and 5 number pin to controlling the relay. The relay is connected and controlling the ONU and router. You can see from the circuit diagram. In the left side of the circuit diagram, you can see a transistor circuit which is controlling the ESP8285, fetching the data from the internet and controlling the relay module automatically. If the switch is turned off, then ESP8285 will not control the relay automatically. On that point, we only can control the relay using the application portal. Also, you can see a switch to control relay. If the switch is turned off, so our system is stopped. Here is the circuit I have made and everything is connected right now and it is working. I just wanted to check before set up everything inside the box. Here is the code. You can see I will provide the GitHub link for the code. I have burned the code previously and let's check my device is working or not. Device is turned on and it is connected to Wi-Fi and it get and also hosted the application in 192.168.4.1. Now let's connect the mobile with the Wi-Fi network of ESP8285 and then go to the application portal using the IP address 192.168.4.1 and you can see the application portal. So let's check that relay is working or not using application. Let's turn off and you can see the LED is on and then on and off you can check. And let's check the another LED or relay. Let's check the another relay and what's working. That's good. Let's check internet now and you can see in the serial monitor testing connection using an URL and it's getting the status code of 200. It's working. This switch is control the relay module and the backside switch is used for controlling the ESP8285 to fetching data from internet. And this is the transistor switch circuit which is delivering the data to the 8285 ADC port pin number, ADC pin. So after everything is working, I have mounted my entire circuit inside this box, and I have used the glue gun, and I just want to cover my box. Now it is the final turn. Everything is connected and application is on. Let's turn off the routers and the router power LED is off. Let's turn on the router power. Let's see what happened. and router is power up, working. And this is the last testing for the switch controlling. Let's turn off the switch and it's off. Let's turn on the switch and let's get power up. So everything is working fine.